When looking for a PCB or PCBA partner, quality is the core demand, and ISO 9001 certification is by no means a decoration on the website, but a key proof that the manufacturer takes quality seriously. As an international standard for quality management systems, ISO 9001 requires enterprises to establish standardized processes, monitor and measure every step, correct errors in a timely manner and continuously improve, ensuring consistent PCB or PCBA production processes, stable quality, traceability, early avoidance of defects, and reduction of rework and on-site failures. Kaboer has been ISO 9001 certified since its establishment, integrating standards into the entire process from material inspection, process control to final testing, covering all types of products including flexible PCBs, rigid flex PCBs, HDI, high-frequency PCBs and PCBA. We can verify the validity of the certification, support factory visits, and protect product quality with a standardized system, making cooperation more confident.